students, how are you all? Hope you all are good at home. Students, welcome to Standard 1 Moral Science class. And children, this is my first video. Okay, so in this video I am going to start the first chapter, chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is here God the Creator. But before starting the chapter, children, I would like to tell you about the God Creator. As you all know, children, God has created everything. God has created the sun, the moon, and all the creatures of the earth. He is all knowing and all seeing. He has created this world and people, and God is only one. Yes, God is only one, but we have given different name, but God is only one. He helps in every situation. He has created for main kingdom on earth. These includes our what? These includes our mineral kingdom, vegetables kingdom, animal kingdom, and human kingdom. So children, it means God has created everything. So always we should pray to God, and always we should believe on God, children. Yes, we should always believe on God, because God has created everything. Okay, so now, and also one more thing, that is what? That is at a fifth higher kingdom, and that is the kingdom of the prophet or the divine teachers. These are special souls who bring us teaching of God from time to time. So children, what? We should always believe in God and always pray to God. Okay children, so now you all are going to listen one story, and also you all are going to read the chapter, and the story name is here what? The trusting dog. Yes, you all will see. Okay, in this story there is one dog, and he always believe in God. Okay, so one day in a deep in a jungle there was an old house. There was an old house wherein Mr. Bear lived with his servant. Mr. Bear lived with his servant, the cat. Yes, Mr. Bear lived with his servant, the cat. One day, the cat's friend. Do you know the name of cat's friend name? Yes, dog. So one day, the cat friend came to see him, and he said that first cat said, "Hi, Mr. Dog, how are you?" So Mr. Dog said, "I am very well, thank you." Same way children, when we meet with our friends, we also wish him good morning or hello, hi. Then after we ask, how are you? So same way Mr. Cat also asks to dog, how are you? So Mr. Dog said, I am very well, thank you. Then after what? Mr. Cat asked one question. Do you know? He asked Mr. Cat asked, do you still trust in God? Do you still trust in God for everything? And already I have spoken, children. So Mr. Dog also said, oh yes, whatever God does, it is the best. Why? Because God, whatever God has made, whatever God has given, I always it is best for us. So I fully trust in Him. So then after what? Then cat again after that what? Cat started working at home in Bear's home. So one day the cat was in only that evening, as the cat was cleaning the kitchen. Okay, cat was cleaning the kitchen, and suddenly he slipped on the wet floor. Okay, so and cat totally scared, because when he slept on the wet floor, a bottle of honey, he broke it. So cat said, oh my God, okay, I broke Mr. Bear's bottle of honey. He will be mad at me. What shall I do? Because Just he was clean. He was servant. Cat was servant at Mr. Bear's house, and one day he was cleaning the kitchen at evening, and suddenly he what fell down on wet floor. So it was just cat was totally scared. Let's see after that what happened. So cat met to dog, his friend, what Mr. Dog, and cat said what cat said, I broke Mr. What Bear's bottle. I don't know what happened after that. If Mr. Bear will know that I have broken his bottle of honey. So dog said, don't worry, just buy a new jar of for him. Yes, if you buy a new jar for him, he will not tell anything. Mr. Bear will not tell anything. But cat said, I have no money, because cat was penniless. He has no money, and cat said he just only give me food and shelter, but no salary. It means he didn't get salary. Mr. Cat didn't get salary. Only he was getting just what food and for shelter to live. Okay, children. So what dog said, then apologize to him and trust in God to help him. It means just his dog said to just first thing is that you just believe on God in any difficulties. Okay, just believe on God, and just say to Mr. Bear, sorry for this. Okay, see, then cat prayed at night. Cat was praying because Mr. Bear was not knowing what happened. So what at night cat was praying to God. The cat prayed to God, and cat said, oh God, guide me, protect me, help me with this problem, because cat was totally scared. Okay, so now after Mr. Bear reached an old house, and he said that, let me tell you something funny. It means he was totally happy, and Mr. Bear said he will spend his lots of what he said that Mr. Bear said, I have spent lots of money to bring home the best of honey. It was the honey was very costly. This thing was what it was telling by the Mr. Bear. So Mr. Bear asked to cat, where is my bottle of honey? Soon Mr. Bear returned home, and he asked to cat. Okay, so Mr. Cat, he asked what Mr. Bear asked to cat. Mr. Cat, where is my honey? Servant said. It means cat said, sir, I am sorry. Okay, I broke the jar accidentally. It means by mistakenly he has done. So he said, sorry sir, I am sorry, I broke the jar accidentally. So what Mr. Bear, what angry, and Mr. Bear said, what? You broke my precious bottle of honey. Precious, it means what? Precious, it means costly. Precious means costly. Mr. Bear said, what? You broke my precious bottle of honey. Get out of my house and don't ever come back. Because don't come again to my house. I was giving food and shelter to you, and you broke my bottle. So don't return my house. Go from here. So Mr. Cat started crying, and Mr. Cat was sad, and poor Mr. Cat was too frightened and to say anything. Together with the dog, they left the house. He left the house with dog. Now cat said, what was the use of praying? I prayed to God, and now cat is saying, what was the use of praying to me now? So God say, because God, that's why the chapter name it has given, the trusting dog. Dog always trust in God in every difficult any situation, whether it is he will be in a problem, in that time also praying. So dog said, when you trust in God, you not need to worry. If you trust in God, don't worry. Okay, anymore, be happy, always be happy, and always trust in God. So but cat said, how I can be happy? I have no job, no home, no food, and you won't me to be happy. How can I be happy? Because I don't have job, I have no home, and also I have no food. Then dogs again said, something seemed to go wrong. Something it seemed to that it is going wrong. But if we believe on God, okay, we need to be not need to be sad, be patient, and leave your affairs in God's care, because God is everywhere. What He can do everything. He is very powerful protector. Let's see soon. Yes, what after that? Soon as they were walking, they came across the small inn deep in the jungle. Okay, and there was a notice on the door of the inn. See, there is notice and it was written there. So what the cat said, hey, that sound like a job for me. There is notice and it has written there on board, looking for a cook, good for good salary and free boarding for to leave also. So God said, that's why I told you, when you trust in God, He does what best for you. He always does whatever we best for us. He always does. Okay, so cat got the job. At last cat got the job, and then cat said, yes, if I had remained in that house, I would always be penniless. It means if remain in Mr. Bear house, he will what Mr. Cat will be never get the salary. But that's why what I had remained in that house, I would always be penniless. Now I can prosper. Now he is very happy. Now he will get the Mr. Cat will get the salary, and good salary and free boarding. Okay, so children, what you all have learned from this story? Children, everyone tell me. We have learned from this story, we should trust in God and not worry in times of difficulty. We should always pray to God and always believe in God. Okay, so we are already, you all don't knowing children, God has created everything. He is very powerful protector, so we should always believe in God. Okay children, now after that you all will do difficult words which you all have done. I hope you all have written in your copy some difficult words. Okay, so one time I am just making you revise at home. Children, you all will learn these all difficult words. Okay, like creator, 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 universe, mineral, prophets, petroleum, intellect, rational, creatures, servant, friend, trust, slipped, shelter, salary, apologize, precious, protect, problem, accidentally, frightened, affairs, okay. Now jungle, patience, and remain, and penniless, penniless, penniless. So at home children, you all will learn the difficult words from your book. Okay children, now after that you all will complete this page. Tick the correct option. Okay, you all will complete this page, the what page number 6 and 7. For 6 you all will do the choose the correct answer. Like question is here, who dropped the bottle of honey? So you all will tell who dropped the bottle of honey. Who was servant in Mr. Bear house? Yes, Mr. Cat. So option number A is correct. Mr. Cat dropped the bottle of honey. Now next question number 2. What was Mr. Cat feeling when he lost his job? Yes children, when if we will be penniless, how we will feel? We all will feel sad. So same way. So how was the Mr. Cat feeling when he lost his job? You all will say sad, SAD, sad. Option number B. Now move to the third question. What advice did Mr. Dog give to Mr. Cat? Mr. Dog said, my friend, just always trust in God, not need to worry in times of difficulty. Okay, so he said trust in God. So option number A, 3A. Now last one is here. What did Mr. Cat realize when he found a better job? Mr. Cat realized, he said that what Mr. Cat learned that we should trust in God and not worry in times of difficulty. So option number A is correct. Okay children, so this you all will complete this page, and also you all just copy these sentences, and page number 7 you all will color this picture. Okay, so hope whatever I have explained you, my dear students, you all have understood very nicely. So for today, once again I would like to say you thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye you all.